Thank you for everyone's well wishes. Yeah, I don't know if I had the flu or what, but after that day at Recoil, I really pushed my body to the limit, and I ended up sleeping 12 hours after that, and then the next day I was good for about 3 hours, and then I had the upper respiratory, lots of boogers. If you get that, drink lots of cough syrup with the DM in it to suppress coughs, and then also make sure you get the generic Mucinex with the DM in it as well. Again, because otherwise that'll keep you up all night and you won't get any rest. What you really need is rest. So today I'm a little winded, but I'm feeling better and I can work a little bit today. So somebody was asking about, like, what does the motor compare to? So this is the what do you call it? Sundown X version 3, version 2, version 3, one of those. And this is the GONZO Jr. I think it's pretty on par with it. Of course, the Sundown is larger diameter, but this is taller. So again, I think it's pretty darn close to it, especially for something that Sundown used to sell for, $850, I think is what those go for, or something like that. Anyway, removable TI frame. We have already sold how many? 15 pre-sold. So again, you get the whole motor for only 150 shipped, and I think we need to collect at least 50 in order to pay for everything. 50 motors pre-sale, and then that way we can order them. I'm gonna go ahead and pay off a couple of credit cards, so that way I have the credit cards available. You can put this on credit card as well. Again, the prices will be in the description if you want to add the top assembly to make the subwoofer complete. And we'll have those in 1 ohm and 2 ohm single voice coil with the leads doubled up, TI frame. We won't be able to do the colors like we normally do. It just is requiring too much time, and people get impatient, and I already have enough orders to deal with. So, but I wanted to do a specific video on this so that you guys could sort of better understand the deal. Typically, after this order, you're going to see prices go up a lot, and probably this motor will end up selling for $250 on its own. So you're saving $100 there, and then really what we could do is not sell it at all and only sell it as a whole subwoofer. See how that works? See? So it depends on how popular it gets, and that's why I'd rather have you guys get in on the ground floor, help me do this deal, and then now we have a set of dealers, people that believed in me and believed in this project, these series of projects, when it was small, and then you guys can be part of that. But again, we're taking credit cards through PayPal, the BlackJackAudio. So the email address on that is blackjackaaudio21@gmail.com. The phone number associated with that, because I know PayPal's moved a lot to the PayPal app on your phone, which is 602-692-5523. Again, that's 602-692-5523. If you're associating with that, if you're associating it with the email address, again, blackjackaudio21@gmail.com. So I'll also put the paypal.me link in there, and you can click there. That however you want to do it, it's fine. If you want an invoice, you can do an invoice. That's fine. I don't care. Just know that it's going to be about 6-week delivery time, 6 to 8 weeks, depending on how they're doing. I'm hoping to catch, because everybody that wanted it for this season is already in production. So I'm hoping that these will get here probably January, and along with a bunch of other soft parts that I'm going to order with it. Of course, I'm not taking any profit from it. Anything that is extra goes towards paying for all the little accessories. I don't have enough money to pay for full, top assemblies built and things like that. We'll just get a bunch of frames and clamps and spiders and all that kind of stuff to keep everything consistent and running that way. Let's see, what else? I think that was it, but mostly I just wanted to let people know that you can put this on your credit card through PayPal. Make sure you pay the fees. And what is it? Yeah, that way you can make payments on it. It doesn't have to be one big chunk. It doesn't have to sting so much. Will, of course, include the 4-gauge terminals if you order the top assembly. And again, all I'm going to do is copy and paste the parts, or the prices that I had for the 10, 12, 15, and 18 in the other video. So, love you guys. Talk to you later.